Okay, here we're going to start solving log equations. So we need to use sometimes our properties that we've learned before, and then we're going to have a couple new things to learn as well. So here we have log base 3 of x minus 1 equals 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to change this from log form to exponential form so that we can get rid of this log. And so remember, we start with our base, and so we say 3 to the 5th power equals x minus 1. Now from here, 3 to the 5th power is 243. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals x minus 1. And so you can just plug that in your calculator. From here, we're going to add 1 to both sides. And so we get that x equals 244. And so we got x by itself. Now over here in green, we have the product, or power, or I'm sorry, not product, power property, that says if I have an exponent, I can take that exponent and bring that down in front. So really this is like saying 4 times the natural log of 3x equals 8. Now why does it help us? Because if this is being multiplied, I can undo multiplication by division. And remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause, rewind, whatever. So now I have the natural log of 3x equals 2. Now, natural log, how can I rewrite that so I can get rid of it? Technically, you can rewrite this as log base e, right? So natural log and log base e are the same thing, of this 3x equals 2. So now, when I go through the swoop property, I can say, okay, well, I have e squared equals 3 times x. How I undo multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. And therefore, when I plug this into my calculator and I round to just one decimal place, I get that x equals 2.5. Finally, here's a new property. If we have an equal sign and we have both terms with the same base that are logs, then what we can do is go ahead and just set their terms equal to each other. So I can just rewrite this. Because I have log base 3 and log base 3 being set equal to each other, I can then say 2x minus 3 equals x plus 4. And then from there I would solve. So I want to get all my x's together, so I'm going to subtract x from this side. And 2x minus 1x is 1x. So I get x minus 3 equals 4. How I get x by itself here is by adding 3 to both sides. So I get x equals 7. So anytime we have two logs that have the same base on opposite sides of the equal sign, we can set their terms equal to each other.